చేదిక బోధరూప.
Good morning everyone. A warm welcome to today's esteemed chief guest, Honorable School Management, respected dignitaries present on the dais, parents, teachers and dear students. Prize distribution ceremony is always an exciting time for students, teachers and parents. It's a time to recognize and celebrate the accomplishments of those students who have put in hard work, dedication and efforts throughout the year. So let's start prize distribution ceremony of meritorious students of standard 3rd and 5th for the academic year 2023-24. May I now request Honorable Chief Guest, respected President Ma'am and all the dignitaries to do the honors. From standard 3rd, the first rank secured by Siddhant Devidas Kale with 97.90%. Congratulations Siddhant. Second rank goes to Satyam Rao Sahib Kadam with 97.50%. Satyam Rao Sahib Kadam, he has secured 97.50%. Congratulations Satyam. Third rank goes to Varad Mangesh Urne with 96.53%. Zadhav from standard 3rd. She has secured 96.33%. Congratulations, Varat. Fifth rank goes to from standard 3rd, Arnav Rupesh Bhalekar with 95.60%. First rank goes to Shreya Ritesh K. Shettiwar with 97.90%. These are the meritorious students of standard 5th for the academic year 2023-24. Second rank goes to Shaurya Singh Santosh Gomladu with 96.40%. Congratulations, Shravya. Third rank goes to two students, Aditi Ashish Kumar Navandar with 96.30%. And Vaishnavi Ganesh Vav 96.30%. From standard 5th, 4th rank goes to Ayush Ganesh Navle. He has secured 95.90%. Congratulations, Aditi and Vaishnavi. Ayush Ganesh Navle, he has secured 95.90%. And from standard 5th rank goes to Nirvan Sachin Kumar Bharange. He has secured 95.40%. Congratulations, Nirvan. Our school is conducting Little Scholars course and foundation course for the students of standard 1st to 10th who want to excel in academics, and the merit holders of Little Scholars course and foundation course for the academic year 2023-24 are from standard 3rd Rajvardhan Pratap Naugare and from standard 5th Shravya Ritesh K. Shettiwar. Congratulations, Shravya. Merit holder of Little Scholars course and foundation course for the academic year 2023-24 from standard 5th. Success comes with the commitment, discipline, consistency and regularity. 100% attendance credit not only goes to the students but also to their parents. Here we will appreciate the students who were present throughout academic year 2023 and the students from standard 5th Srinivas Uddhav Zadhav and Purva Anil Sonone. I request Srinivas to come on the stage. These are the students who came regularly in the school. 100% attendance they have given for the year 2023, and definitely the credit goes to parents also. And the second student is Purva Anil Sonavne. Time waits for no one, but it rewards those who honor it. So definitely these are the students to whom we have to honor. Congratulations all the merit holder students and 100% attendance students. Thank you all dignitaries. Thank you. Now I request respected Principal Ma'am to announce the special award. I request dignitaries to please felicitate the students of standard 3rd who have come for 100% attendance. Shardul Santosh Vetal. I request dignitaries to felicitate the students Shardul Santosh Vetal and Shruti Jalandhar Gore. From standard 3rd, 100% attendance. The students, they were present throughout the year for the academic year 2023. Congratulations Shardul and Shruti. Now I request respected Principal Ma'am to announce the special award. Thank you all dignitaries.
A very good morning once again to the honorable dignitaries on the dais, all the parents and students. Today I am here to declare the Best Teacher Award of Secondary Section. A teacher is the one who always motivates the students. She is talented, she is educated, she is adorable, she is caring, she is helpful, encouraging and responsible. These are the few adjectives for the teacher. Teacher is an individual who provides education and guidance to the students in an informal as well as formal manner. They play a crucial role in shaping the future by incorporating the values and skills in the student's life. PSBA English School Management takes this opportunity to appreciate the teachers for their hard work and dedication in the last academic year 2023-24. Every year during annual day, we felicitate the teachers for their great work they do during the past academic year. So 3 awards are there for primary section, secondary as well as senior secondary section. So this is time now to felicitate the teacher. The best teacher from secondary section is Mrs. Nilofer Ahmad Sheikh Ma'am. I request Nilofer Ma'am to please come on the dais. I request family members of Nilofer Sheikh Ma'am, please come on the dais to receive the award along with Ma'am. I request all the dignitaries, Honorable Chief Guest, President Ma'am, Administrator Ma'am, to please do the honors of felicitating and giving the award of Best Teacher from secondary section to the head of the Department of Hindi and also supervisor of standard 6, Nilofer Sheikh Ma'am, for this achievement. Heartiest congratulations Ma'am for this award. Ma'am has joined the school in 2014. She has completed 10 years and she is really working hard for the development of the student. She is very soft-spoken and humble and very, very caring individual. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations for this achievement. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. I request Mrs. Nilofer Sheikh, ma'am, to please share her views. Thank you.
A warm and joyful morning to one and all present over here. It is truly a blessing to stand before you today as I have received this award. Firstly, I would like to thank God for His blessings and glory. I am deeply humbled and grateful to receive the Best Teacher Award for Secondary Section. This award is not just a reflection of my personal efforts, but also of the collective spirit of support and collaboration that exists within a wonderful institution. Foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable School Management, Honorable President Ma'am, respected Vice President Sir, for your leadership, vision and unwavering commitment to fostering an environment where both teachers and students can thrive. I convey my sincere thanks to our respected Administrator Ma'am. Ma'am, your support and belief in the power of education have made all the difference in the work we do every day. My heartiest thankfulness to respected Principal Ma'am, who have not only been a mentor but also a constant source of inspiration. Thank you, respected Vice Principal Ma'am of Secondary Section, for your advocacy and encouragement, which has played a huge role in my growth as a teacher. I would like to thank all the respected heads for their great guidance. My heartiest thanks to all respected parents for their faith and support. Also, I want to acknowledge the students who motivate me to continuously grow as an educator. You all are my strength. Really, thank you, students. Lastly, I would like to a moment to take thanks my family members for their unshakable love and encouragement. Thank you again for this recognition, and I promise to continue giving my best. Thank you so much.